Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can prevent the power button from ending calls on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So let's get down to our topic. And let me start by saying that all iPhones have this feature enabled by default, that if you press this side power button or the power button, the call will be ended. And, for example, I think a lot of people have this feature. It's a bit of a nuisance because you can accidentally press this button and the call will end. To prevent that from happening, you have to go into your phone settings. Scroll down a little bit, and then you'll go to Accessibility, then Touch, and then scroll down a little bit to the bottom, and here you'll find this section called Prevent Lock to End. As you can see, it's disabled. And in order to activate it, just click on the button next to this feature. And so now if you accidentally press the power button, then the call will not be completed. Friends, this is the very simple way to prevent the power button from ending your calls on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you, was useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. See you soon.